Tesla shuts down production at Gigafactory Shanghai for 2 days amid surge in COVID cases. COVID in China, the no COVID policy, Hong Kong, big numbers, Shenzhen, shutdown. Tesla's shutting down production. Gigafactory Shanghai, 2 days this week, surge in COVID. China has strict containment plans that include mass testing and isolation, which served the country well last year in limiting the spread of the virus. But less than 3 months into 2022, the country already has more cases than it did during the whole of last year. The number of new daily cases is now hitting highs not seen since the first wave of the virus in 2020, triggering lockdowns in some regions and mass testing in order to try to limit the spread. Amid this context, Tesla announced to employees and suppliers that it would be shutting down production on Wednesday and Thursday at Gigafactory Shanghai. Huge implications. We talked about the effect on companies like Apple, maybe your smartphones, maybe slowdowns in deliveries of the things that you've ordered. And now, of course, it also hits Tesla, electric vehicles, non-electric vehicles, people building anything, anywhere. That's how this works. You shut down industry, you shut down goods, you shut down the economy. Well, you know this.
Maybe for Tesla's case, it's not that bad. Just for 2 days.
Well, it's 2 days for now.
As of now,
It's a lot.
Yeah.
It's 2 days for now.
Yeah.
Tesla's been producing close to 60,000 vehicles per month at Gigafactory Shanghai. That's no joke. That's 2,000 per day. That's no joke. That's no laughing matter.
No.
Ain't no cookie jar there. Go ahead, Will. We got it. Remember, you promised the speed round, not me.
Sorry, I'm just reading. You said 2,000 a day?
2,000 a day, 60,000 a month.
Oh, is that a lot? I feel like that's so many.
Recently,
2,000 a
Tesla's been
day.
producing close to 60,000 vehicles per month.
Wow.
2,000 per day.
Really?
What
That's
the hell?
very
What's going on, guys? What's going on
Well,
here?
I'm just
That seems
imagining.
like a
We've
lot.
frozen on this
for-
number?
Yeah, it seems like a lot for how many
It does.
delays they're
It does,
putting
yeah.
out.
All the cars in China come from that one plant. That's all. That's it. All of them.
Wow. I'm very impressed.
Are you getting a Tesla or what are you doing?
Yeah, I'll get one.
They're like, Elon, you've done an incredible job here.
Yeah,
Just want you to know. Yeah, no, it's amazing, man. Production.
cool.